Hi guys, DANS Dollars here. Here we go then, back with Play It Safe. Did anybody manage to break into my safe, win what was inside? All you had to do was try and guess the 3-digit code to unlock that door. We're going to have a look at all of the guesses now. We'll get rid of the technology, we'll go back to paper and pen. Good luck everyone, and we'll see if we've got a winner. Before that, we're going to see what coin or coins were up for grabs and inside that safe. The London 2012 Sports Collection. This is a set of 5 Olympic coins. I picked this one up a couple of weeks ago, a really late night auction sale off eBay. Really happy to give this one away. What an amazing addition to anyone's collection at home. So let's have a look at all of your guesses for the combination to break into my safe and see if anybody did win it. They're all on the screen coming up now. Unfortunately, nobody has guessed it correctly. I was going to do this every single Sunday, but just at the moment, just because it's the first time we've played it, we are going to do it every single day until we get a winner. And then I think I'm going to do a rotation between how many coins are in Dan's box and this game, just to keep things exciting on the channel. So if you do want to enter again, enter on this video. All you need to do is start your comment with a 3-digit number. We'll come back at 6 PM tomorrow and see if anybody's broke into that safe. Because it's been more than one day, another coin or coins will be going into that prize pot. So definitely do try and enter and check out and see if you've been a winner tomorrow. Best of luck again everyone. And as always guys, thanks for watching.